Hi everyone, welcome to the Science by Arya. So for today's episode, we are going to IKEA in person for the first time. But before we start, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so that you will be notified on the next video. But if you are ready, let's go! I know IKEA is a very popular store not only here in the United States but also overseas. I believe they just opened one of the largest IKEA stores in the world in the Philippines. So hopefully when I go back in the Philippines for a vacation, I can check out that store. Here in our area, we have an IKEA store that is 30 to 40 minutes away from our house. And today, my husband's paintball game is cancelled, so I'm taking him with me. So we are finally here at IKEA, and this store is huge. I downloaded and browsed the IKEA app prior to coming here, so I have somewhat of an idea what items to get and where to find them since the app provides you with that information. However, I know myself and this store can easily distract me. There are just so many things to look at, so many pretty things to check out. I believe that IKEA has pretty much everything that you need to fully furnish your home. They have furniture, storage solutions, home decor, and many more. The first thing on our list is to get some accessories for my pegboards. I already bought 2 skating pegboards also from IKEA a while ago, and today I am getting some hooks and shelves. But this line of IKEA pegboards offers tons of options. You can get the pegboards in different sizes and colors. They have accessories that you can choose from. You can mix and match, and it's just great for organizing. Now we are going to IKEA's self-service department to get the Alex drawers and Lab Captain tabletop. This part of IKEA is incredible, but it is a bit overwhelming, especially when it's your first time visiting the store in person. It was a great idea that I brought my husband with me because these pieces are a bit heavy. The checkout line is a bit long, but it's also moving really fast, so I think that we'll wait only for a couple minutes and we'll be ready to load everything in the car. This was a great experience, and I'm glad that I was able to finally visit IKEA in person for the first time, but I highly recommend checking the IKEA app or website before coming here because it gives you important information about the items that you're interested in. It also tells you if that item is in stock, if it's available for delivery, or available for click and collect. The IKEA click and collect service is the same as the curbside pickup option that a lot of stores started offering because of the pandemic. You can place your order online and choose when or where to collect your order. You can collect it from your local IKEA store or from partner pickup points. You can also check if the items that you are interested in are in stock at your local IKEA store, and the app also tells you what department to go to get those items. It's been a long day and we're ready to head back home. And that's it for today. I hope that you enjoyed this episode. If you would like to see more videos just like this one, please be sure to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, craft ideas, DIY projects, or organizational hacks that you would like me to try, please comment down below and I will see you on the next episode.